This is your girl Disparate Amelia back again with another 50 haul. I hope you all are having a blessed week and have found multiple things to be grateful for. I am doing a chill girl fall makeup look. Get ready with me, kind of. Not really talking too much in this video, but this is a perfect video for, hold on, let me show you what this is a perfect video for. Peering at them under your shades video, okay? This is a perfect over the shades look, okay? Do you see? All right, I did a lot of things that I don't normally do. As you can see, I'm getting a little darker on there. We got a clear lip going on. Eyebrows stay popping. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching. The hair will be linked down below. These are crochet braids, not a weave, not a wig. It's crochet braids. Get my edges together before I reveal. My hair is braided underneath this, as you can see. Yes, I did reveal. It's all right. If you like this look, continue to watch this video. Please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video to all your family, friends, pets, dogs, animals, insects, iguanas, your neighbor, your Uber driver, your taxi driver, your Lyft driver. It don't matter who the driver is, let them know. Keep watching for a cool video. All right, love you guys. This video is gonna be titled Chill Girl Fall. I have no idea what I'm gonna do to this face, but it's gonna be fall and it's gonna be somewhat matching this shirt, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to start with priming. By priming, I really mean moisturizing my face and lips. I've been going through the struggle this week, so my nose is kind of peeling because all of the tissue I've been using. I'm gonna use this skin therapy oil to, you know, replenish some of this dry, damaged skin, and my Pond's dry skin cream moisturizer. And then I'm going to be using this Simple Truth organic moisturizing lip balm in strawberry lavender. I don't really like this lip balm because it has beeswax in it, so it kind of does dry out your lips at a certain point. Like, it's moisturizing while it's on, and then afterwards it's like, girl, you just gotta keep on putting on. I don't really like that. I am looking for a good lip balm that will do me good in the long haul. I don't intend for this to be a very talky makeup tutorial, so this would probably be the last of me talking until I have like a tip or something that I have, or maybe I won't talk at all. But let's get into it, okay? So I said I wasn't gonna come on here again. Hold on. We got a little skin. My nose is gonna irritate me. So I ran out of concealer. I still have a little bit left, but what I was using was the LA Girl Pro Concealer, obviously. In Toffee, I did not remember the shade I got, so I got the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige at the beauty supply store when I went there, which is a tad bit lighter. As you can see, this is medium beige, this is Toffee. So I'm gonna try to mix them. We're just gonna see how they roll. They actually don't look too far apart on camera, but let's see. How satisfying is like a new concealer tip? Look at how beautiful! And I'm about to trash it. Bad blend out for how light that concealer technically is. I think I'm still gonna go and get a deeper one because I'm not trying to be looking like Frosty the Snowman. this fall, this winter, doesn't know.
Playing on the track. Playing on the track.
My eyebrows are naturally this way. I didn't even conceal or anything under my eyebrows really today. So I really don't have to do much. You see, in a previous vlog, I said this was my favorite part of doing my face. And you see why? Because they're already snatched. They're already snatched. Ugh! How sick would it be if I put the gloss on my eyelid? That would be such a sick look, but I'm not doing that today. Not today. I'm seriously about to like drown myself.
Playing on the track.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. My hair's looking a little crazy because I tried to put it back so you can see more of the eye look. Let me get it together. There we go. All right, so this is the final look. I did some things that I don't normally do. Like, I don't normally line my under eye, but I'm like, you know, it's fall. Give them a little sultry look. I wish I had a lip liner, but we kept the lips clear with that Fenty glow. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This hair, I'm gonna put the link in the bio because I love it. I've been growing on it. First day, I was like, I actually really love it now. And the curls are more defined as it goes along. I really hope you love this look. Please give me some comments down below. Like this video if you watched it, even if you watched it for 2 seconds, even if you just skip to the end to see how I'm looking. Give her a thumbs up. I'm actually really loving this look. I'm not even going anywhere. I'm just like sitting in the house doing videos because why not? Why not? I hope you guys love it and I'll see you guys soon. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right. Love ya. Bye.